This is lesson 1 of marshalling trains on a DC track. It is an advanced course and as such is not suitable for beginners. What I'm going to do is, in this lesson, send this train into the inner track, and then I'm going to send this train on the main track. So I will now start the controller. And everything goes nice and slowly. And it goes in there nice and slowly. And when that final coach clears it, I can stop it by closing off the circuit. What I will do now is I will coax this train. It's urge it on, and I am going to stop it when it reaches the actual outer track by the dial. And that's stopped. So I'm now going to let the train on the outer track continue on its merry way. As so. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to end this lesson. This is the end of lesson 1.